Welcome to our guide on how to display your birth month publicly on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps. Begin by clicking on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a drop-down menu. Next, locate and click on the Edit Profile button positioned in the top right section of your profile page. Scroll down until you find the Birth Date section and click on Edit to make adjustments. In the pop-up menu that appears, click on Edit once again to proceed with customizing your birth date information. Now, select the month and day of your birth and choose the option Public to share this detail with all Twitter users. Lastly, don't forget to click on Save Changes to confirm and apply the updated settings. By following these straightforward steps, you can make your birth month visible to the public on your Twitter profile. Enhance your online presence and connect with a wider audience by adding this personal touch. Start customizing your Twitter profile today.